Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change page orientation in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select a Resize option and select a custom page size if you want. I'll make it NSI letter size, and this page orientation option I'll make it landscape, and I'll make first two pages and so we'll select OK, and see this first two pages now oriented landscape, and also I'll make this PDF file portrait, and so click Organize option and select a resize option. I'll make it portrait all of this page and select OK, and see this page orientation now change. Yeah, this is. Finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.